Hey everyone, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'll be showing you guys on how to tighten up or remove your rear view mirror in your C-Class, G-Class, and many others. This is a W205, but it's the same for many other vehicles. If your front sensors look like that, the Distronic Plus, rain sensor, and the active radar, if it looks like this video is for you. And even if it's not, you can gain reference from this on how to remove the trim, the two separate pieces, how to loosen up the mirror, how to tighten it up. So let's get started on this quick tutorial. So if we're looking at this here, just use your bare hands and pull down. There we go. It's easier if you do both sides at the same time because you're applying equal pressure. And then I'm going to put the camera down to try to get this trim off right here. So we can take this whole thing off and I can show you guys the wire to plug into. Once I get it out, I'll show you guys more detail on how to remove it. So now that we got the mirror cover out, let me show you guys how it's removed because this was the hardest part to remove. This piece right here, if you guys can see the two clips, one on the right and one on the left, it can be removed if you stick your pry tool in there just to push on the tab or a flathead. What I used was a angled pry tool made out of metal just to press it in. Once you press it in and you release it, it'll come down like so and you slide it out. So let me show you guys right here what I used. I used this right here, this angled tool, and you guys see these two hooks just for a visual reference. This slides in there, these two hooks. Excuse my poor camera skills. I'm holding the camera, item, and the tool. So you're going to grab this and try to push these tabs in. Once you push the two tabs in, it'll slide right out. And then you can slide the mirror cover downwards towards the front of the vehicle. We're going to use a crescent wrench, which looks like this. And then we're going to fit it into the silver part and turn it counterclockwise. So this way, towards you. Once you get it in the silver piece and turn it towards you, the whole mirror will come out, and then we can use our Torx bit to tighten it back up. So once the mirror has been removed, it's going to dangle around, and then I'm going to show you guys here with the flashlight. You guys look right on that silver part, right by the screw. That's the Torx screw we got to tighten, right by the black nut right in the middle. We're going to tighten that and put the mirror back on, and your mirror should be tight again. So now that's loose, we're going to go ahead and put our Torx bit in here, just like so. We're going to tighten it up to hand tight. After that, we're going to twist this rear view mirror back on there. It's going to go on like that, and then we're going to twist it clockwise, and it'll be nice and secure, and we'll reinstall everything backward. All right, so this is the angle we're going to reinstall it in. It's going to be 45-degree angle to the seats, and then you're going to twist it clockwise, like so. Once it goes right in, you can adjust it once again. I'll zoom out and show you guys. So once you have tightened it up, look how stiff it is. Not like before, it was flimsy and falling around. So that is how you adjust the tightness if you have a loose rear view mirror for your Mercedes. We're going to reinstall the trim back into place. Let me know if you guys got any questions. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. See you guys on the next one.